Good morning, dear angels. Hope you all are doing well and you all are safe. We'll continue our class with Unit 20 Conjunctions. Let's start. Unit 20 Conjunctions. In this unit, we'll learn about conjunctions, and at the end of the unit, we'll learn about some proverbs, and we'll use these conjunctions in our sentences and we'll revise the use of conjunctions. First, we'll read some given sentences and we'll find out which are the conjunctions in these given sentences, and then we'll observe a table conjunctions and their uses. Let's start. I like curd but I don't like cream. I like curd and cheese. These milk products are not only tasty but also good for health. I take milk daily because it is a rich source of protein, minerals, and vitamins. We don't have any milkman in our area, so we buy milk from the mother dairy booth. If you want to stay fit, drink milk daily. You can have full cream milk or toned milk as per your requirement. I was really amazed when I saw the large variety of ice creams at Mother Dairy outlets. These ice creams are mouth-watering as well as nutritious. We observed some underlined words in each and every sentence. These all underlined words are conjunctions. Now we'll observe the uses of conjunctions, where we will use conjunctions properly. First, because, as, since, for. To state reason. If we have to give any reason, we'll use these all conjunctions: because, as, since, for. As you observe this, that fourth one sentence, I take milk daily because you are giving reason. It is rich source of protein, minerals and vitamins. That's why you are taking milk daily. So you used because. Then therefore, so. To express effect. See, in this fifth one, we don't have any milkman in our area. So, what effect it is giving? So, we buy milk from the mother dairy booth. As we don't have milkman in our area, so we are going to buy milk from mother dairy booth. Or, this is for choice, to show choice. If you have choices, then you will use or. See, as in this seventh sentence, you can have full cream milk or toned milk. Means you have two choices over here. You can take full cream milk also or toned milk also, as per your requirement. Then otherwise, if, unless. To state condition. But, yet, in spite of, however. To show contrast. See, first sentence, I like curd but I don't like cream. So, it is showing contrast. I like curd but I don't like cream. Until when? To show time. In this sentence, I was really amazed when I saw the large variety of ice creams at Mother Dairy outlets. So, when it is showing particular time. Though, although. To show opposite feeling or actions. They mean in spite of. While. To show a period of time. For this, we use while. Now we'll start exercise. First, circle the conjunctions in these sentences. We have some sentences over here. We have to. Now, second, fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. We have one help box over here, and they have given us some conjunctions. With the help of these conjunctions, we have to fill these all blanks. First, you can watch television or you can play video game. We used or. It was too hot, so I opened the windows. So, we know that prevention is better than cure. That. While he was sleeping, a cat entered his room. While. She went to bed early as she was tired. She was so tired, still she continued her work. Although he is old, he does his work himself. Since he is old, he needs help of others. He rented his house so that he could get extra income. You can't invest in this project until you get sufficient positive feedback. If you chew some mint leaves, you will feel better. If. He was feeding the dogs when I saw him. We filled here when. Now you will do this work in your grammar book today, and we'll continue our class in next session. That's all for today. All of you do the given work in your grammar book with neat and clean handwriting. But don't forget to write date. See you in the next class. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye. Bye-bye.